Hello and welcome to this very special broadcast that we're bringing to you live from Kolkata. I'm Paulami Saha, and what is topping the headline today from Bengal? It's the vaccine politics that the state of Bengal is witnessing. The Trinamool Congress has gone to the Election Commission complaining against the Prime Minister's photo and name being used on vaccination documents. So that's the latest information that's coming in 48 hours after Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fact took a COVID jab. There is no end to vaccination politics. The Trinamool Congress has now lodged a complaint with the Election Commission against the use of the Prime Minister's photo, name and message on the vaccination documents. In his letter to Chief Election Commissioner, Trinamool Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien has said that the Prime Minister is debarred from publicising his name and claiming credit in this manner through government's CoWIN platform for vaccination after the dates for the elections have been announced. He should be debarred is what Derek O'Brien has demanded. The TMC has asked the poll panel to stop the Prime Minister from what it terms taking unfair advantage and undue publicity at the taxpayers' cost during the conduct of elections.
PM stands for Prime Minister, as you all know. But here PM stands for Publicity Master. It's not only that after the model code of conduct has come into force, we are talking about the same. I hope you will recall during the last parliament election, we also raised the same issue as Ayushman Bharat was launched in the year 2018. And at that point of time, people of West Bengal, they used to get a postcard posted by central government, which was carrying a photograph of Narendra Modi ji.
My colleague Prema Rajaram is now joining me live on this story. Prema, so another war of words between the TMC and the BJP. The TMC now complaining that the Prime Minister's photo cannot be used for vaccination documents. How is the BJP responding to this allegation?
Like you mentioned, Paulami, the BJP has said that this was not a move considering that the elections are around the corner, but this happened before the election. But that is what BJP is saying. Now, is it a face-saving measure or is it something that the BJP really intended to do as far as the central government is concerned, and putting the image of Prime Minister Modi on the vaccination certificates of the COVID-19 vaccine? Another reason that the BJP could have given such an answer, and Dilip Ghosh could have said this, is because the Trinamool Congress has also complained to the Election Commission about the model code of conduct and that this should not have been done as far as the Prime Minister's image is concerned. The Trinamool Congress has also gone on to say that it was a publicity stunt as far as the image of the Prime Minister is concerned on the vaccination certificates, and also hit out at the Prime Minister saying that why was the vaccine taken without a mask. So it's a war of words between the BJP and Trinamool Congress in wake of the assembly elections here in West Bengal. Back to you, Paulami.
Right, Prema, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.